How to create a group chat on Instagram. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to another quick and easy Instagram tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a group chat on Instagram so you can stay connected with your friends, family, or team, all in one place. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Now, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Now, tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen to open your DMs. Now, select the people you want to add to your group chat. You can search for usernames or simply scroll through your contacts. Once you've selected everyone, tap Chat or Next. Your group chat is now created. But to make it more fun, you can give it a name. Just tap on the group name at the top, then select Edit, enter a name, and hit Save. Change the group chat theme for a fresh look. Add more members anytime. Send photos, videos, and voice messages.
And that's it.
You've successfully created a group chat on Instagram. Now, you can chat, share updates, and have fun with your group. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.